Hi everyone, welcome to the first of some summer reading challenge crafts. Every Saturday at 11 AM we will be posting a new craft for you online. Today we are making some bird feeders from recycled milk cartons. So let's get our colouring pens ready and let's get started. So to start making your bird feeder, what you'll need is a carton of some kind. I've already painted mine just to save a little bit of time, but you can paint yours in any colour you like. You'll need a piece of doweling, or you can use a lollipop stick or a wooden spoon that your parents don't mind you borrowing for this project. Anything that basically a bird can sit on and will fit through the hole when we do the bird feeder. You want a piece of string so you can tie it up in your garden, a glue stick and scissors. You might also want a hole punch just to make things a little bit easier, and a craft knife, but make sure that you've got adult supervision before you use those. And then you'll want bits and bobs for decorating. So I've got some coloured paper, some foam shapes and some lollipop sticks. So after you have painted your carton, the first thing we're going to do is make the hole in the centre, which is where we're going to put our bird feed. So you can just draw a square or rectangle, and you can use a ruler for this as well if you want to, just so you make sure it's as nice as possible. Okay, so I've got my rough shape. So once you've cut through on both sides, you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. So next we're going to get our hole punch and make a hole slightly below that opening. Like so, and then you can see that you can thread whatever you're going to use as your little bird stand through the hole. And if it is a little bit loose, you can secure that later. So we're just going to take that back out whilst we decorate. So you can use absolutely anything you want to decorate your bird feeder. I've got some lollipop sticks which I've cut in half, and I'm going to use those to make a little roof. So next what I'm going to do is decorate the sides. So I've got some vines and ladybirds that I'm going to glue on mine. And remember, you don't have to make yours look like mine at all. You can decorate it however you like. And then I'm going to flip it over and decorate the other side as well. And finally, my last job, I'm going to decorate the front. So I'm going to take two lollipop sticks and glue them above and below the opening, just so that it looks like a little windowsill and it makes it look a little bit neater. So the next thing I'm going to do is put 2 lollipop sticks slightly longer than the top of the carton along this top edge. So I'm going to glue one either side and sandwich them together. And then that will give us something to tie our string to. You can tie your string to the edge of these lollipop sticks. Get your dowling or your little bird seat and put that back through. And there you have it, one recycled bird feeder. So all you need to do now is get some seeds for your local birds and pull them into that centerpiece and hang it in a tree in your garden, and you can watch the birds come and feed all day long.